Imagine Hunger Games but in real life and much more terrible. Around 6,700 prisoners were mass deported to the small remote island where they had to construct a special settlement and cultivate the land. The problem was that they were given a small amount of supplies, no tools, almost no food and no clothes to survive cold Siberian winter. If prisoners tried swimming and escaping from the island, they were simply shot by military guarding the river shores. Conditions on island quickly deteriorated. People tried mixing flour with river water and got dysentery. Some prisoners formed gangs and terrorized other inhabitants. When food was gone, people resorted to cannibalism. Just 3 months later, 4,000 of 6,700 people died on the island, and later number was close to 6,000. This was part of a larger experiment done to resettle up to 2 million people to Siberia, to populate these areas and create a self-sufficient workforce, which was a failed experiment. I don't want to go deep into the subject because it is almost filled to a brim with examples of horrifying experiments that were conducted by Nazis. I want to talk more about so-called rabbits of Ravensbrück. These were inmates which managed to survive the horror of Nazi experiments. You probably heard about human trash by the name of Mengele, which worked in Auschwitz camp, but there were many more camps, and many of those camps had doctors which did similar experiments. Mengele wasn't the only monster out there.